So human and organizational performance, or HOP as a lot of us call it, it's kind of what we do. I mean, I think it's work. I think it's humans and organizations performing. I don't really look at this as a separate program. I don't really look at it as human performance, really. We learn from human performance. We learn from Lean, we learn from Deming's work, from any place that brings value. Lean manufacturing stuff has a lot of cool stuff, but we are pulling it all together more and more comprehensively, I think, and throwing out the stuff that's not very helpful and building on the stuff that is. So what I love about it is it gives us permission as an organization or as a leadership team or as the people in operations to question more. And when we question more, what things are we doing that help? Let's build on those. What things are we doing that really is just kind of a waste of our time? Let's start reducing or removing or whatever. We talk a lot about moving past blame in HOP because blame doesn't seem to fix anything. I can't tell people not to blame because we're humans. I mean, we blame ourselves when we mess up, but blame just doesn't seem to make us any better. So one of the things we talk about a lot in HOP is let's move beyond the blame conversation and let's focus on sort of how can we build systems that can handle humans, realizing that humans fundamentally come to work to do their job, right? They come to work, I think, to do a good job in most cases. So when something bad happens, we really want them to help us figure out how it happened and help us make it better.